In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Autoresponder in Aweber. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Aweber. When the results appear, click the official Aweber site. Make sure you're on the correct domain to keep your account secure and avoid any ad results that might look similar. Once you're on the home page, click Sign In and log in to your account. Use your usual credentials and any two-step verification you've enabled. After you're in, look for the Automation section in the navigation and select Workflows. If you manage multiple lists, double-check that you're working in the right one so your messages reach the intended audience. On the Workflows page, click Create Workflow. You'll be asked how you want to start. You can choose the Welcome Series template, which comes pre-built with a basic structure, or pick Blank Campaign if you want full control. The template is great if you want something fast. The blank option is perfect if you prefer to tailor every step. If you start from a blank campaign, set your trigger to On Subscription. This tells Aweber to begin the workflow the moment someone joins your list, typically from a sign-up form or landing page. Next, open the message editor to customize your email content. Craft a clear subject line, add your branding, and write copy that sets expectations about what subscribers will receive. Keep it friendly and concise, and be sure to preview on desktop and mobile for readability. Now, add your first action. Drag in Send Message and click it to create a message using the drag-and-drop builder or choose an existing draft. This will serve as your immediate welcome email. Include a warm greeting, any promised lead magnet or resource, and a simple call to action, such as confirming preferences or visiting your site. If you want a delay before the next email, drag in a wait step. Set it to 1 day, or whatever interval fits your cadence. A day is a common starting point, but feel free to adjust based on your audience's tolerance and your content plan. After the wait, drag in another send message to deliver the second email in your series. Use this follow-up to provide extra value, answer common questions, or guide subscribers to your next key action. When you're satisfied, click Save and Exit at the bottom right. Back on the workflow view, give everything a quick scan to ensure the order and timing look right. Finally, click Publish to make your autoresponder live. For peace of mind, subscribe using your own form to test the flow and confirm the timing and content are exactly as you intended.